Here we have a brand new 2023 Audi RS3 8Y Sportback on delivery mileage. This is a carbon black edition, which means it comes with an abundance of carbon fibre features, including the wind mirror caps, the side skirts, the roof spoiler and the carbon engine bay cover. But you can also identify a carbon black by its satin black wide spoke wheels. This RS3 also comes with the additional RS adaptive suspension and the comfort and sound package, which includes the Bang & Olufsen sound system. This car arrived to us in the factory transportation film. We specifically asked Audi not to remove it, so we can guarantee that we'll be the first people to wash this car. This car has now successfully completed our meticulous detailing preparation process. So if you want to find out a bit more information about this car, I recommend heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.